In this episode, we explore the stunning city of Nara, famous for its free-roaming deer. We stumble across a newborn fawn and feed the friendly, hungry deer biscuits, and witness when the cheeky deer steal food from the shop owner. Here's some friendly locals. We've just arrived at Nara. And here they are just in the street. Some beautiful deer. Hey guys. Hello. Hello. Hello buddy. Here we are just roaming around Nara. The deer in Nara, Japan, are one of the most famous and unique attractions of the city. They are considered sacred animals and are believed to be messengers of the gods. In fact, Nara's association with deer dates back to the 8th century, when the city was the capital of Japan. Some deer are particularly skilled at bowing in exchange for deer crackers, a behavior that has become iconic and is a popular photo opportunity. See where we can buy you some deer biscuits.
See, look at their ears are pricked up. Cecile's over there, got her hand in the deer bucket, buying some biscuits. See, they know straight away. Look, yeah. Oh, there you go. They knew. As soon as you picked up the lid, they had their ears pricked up. You know. He'll be like the Pied Piper walking down the street.
You're very gentle, aren't you?
Hey? Oh, you're not interested in a pat. Do you want some? Hey? You look a bit mangy. Still getting rid of that winter fur. Yeah. See? Did you see her bow then? They do that out of respect for their food. See if I can get someone else to bow. See her bow? Here, you want a bit more? There you go. Oh, there's a little bit there left. You lick me. Hello, baby. You want a bow? You got to bow first. Bow first. Very gentle.
Hey buddy. You look very pregnant. You're just sunning yourself. The deer just... the deer just pulled that out. I don't know what's in it. They're hungry. Hey buddy.
Little thieves.
Did you see that?
Yeah, they're just animals.
Yeah, So he's just hungry.
He's looking a bit pregnant, that one.
Mm.
You see that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the baby over here.
Oh,
Only a day old.
yeah. So cute.
We better not go near her, hey?
No.
They have to be a day old, isn't they?
Give her some space. Oh, look how cute.
Here we are.
She's already got the white spots on her. I wonder if she was just born, actually.
Yeah.
Sounds disgusting eating the afterbird. Look how tiny it is. It's so cute. Oh, poor foot.
Yeah.
Poor buddy.
Oh, foot.
Hey?
You're going to have to live with that, aren't you? Hmm? Hmm? I wonder how they can see out of the water, isn't it?
And their googly eyes. What are you saying?
Put something in
What
my
are
mouth.
you? I've got deer biscuits.
It's a bit like the clowns. You know how you at the circus you put the balls in the mouth?
Oh, yeah. All I have is deer biscuits. Hi.
I mean, surely they have to feed them because there's nothing in there for them to eat.
No.
They're too big and fat. Okay, her ears are pricked up. Here she comes. See, there's the bow. Here comes number 2.
I hear the breaking of the biscuit. Oh.
That one looks pregnant too.
That's all.
You know when it's over.
Go on.
So, straight ahead. Straight ahead.
Very good.
Come on. No.
Not today. Look at these beautiful antlers. They almost look fake.